guys, Johnny Keck over at AMP Futures, and thank you for tuning in once again. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and present the trade ticket function within MarketDelta Cloud. MarketDelta Cloud is a free trading platform web-based application available with AMP Futures. So let's get right into it. We're going to bring up the platform. And the trade ticket is this button that you see at the very top, right above the chart. It's the big trade button. And if you click on that, it's just a different way of placing trades. And this is probably, if not the most simplified approach in terms of executing trades within the platform. There's no depth of markets. You can't, you're not versus trading off the chart directly. It's just a straightforward ticket approach. So first thing you're going to want to do, usually when you pull up the trade ticket for the very first time, you will see a button, or better yet, it'll say click here. You want to click here and then just simply add a symbol. So that's usually the first time when you add or activate the trade ticket. So let's just pretend that was the case. I clicked, and now I'm going to go ahead and just type in the symbol, EPU6. And if you've been watching the videos throughout the series, you'll find that it's very common in adding symbols, whether you're applying it onto a chart, whether you're applying it onto a DOM, watch list. So it's really just typing in the symbol. You'll see the auto-populated result, and you're just going to left-click to select. All right, now you have the symbol visible on the screen. You can see the high, the low, the open, and the change for the day. So that's the overall change. Market has been open up 2.75 since the open. It's about 7:12 p.m. here California time, so it's a bit steady. And then you have two buttons here. You have buy, which is represented by blue, and then you have sell, which is represented by red. And then you also have your quantity value here. We can use the plus and negative signs to increase or decrease the value. You can clear it. If you hit default, it defaults it back to 1. And then you have your order types. So whether it's a market order, limit, stop, or stop limit. All right, so for example, if I want to place a market order, you're just going to leave it on market and just simply hit the buy market button here. And now you can see we have a long position. All right, so I'm going to go back to the trade ticket. And let's just say I want to now change this to a sell. And you can see that's very obvious when you change that because the color is red versus blue. And then you can see I'm long 1. So if I hit this button here, you can see now the position is closed out. All right, so it's trade ticket again, very simple. Now, if you want to change the order type, just simply select the specific order type that you want to use, whether it's a limit, stop, or stop limit. So in this case, you have limit order. All right, and then, of course, you want to make sure you adjust your limit price. So limit price, if you hit the up arrow here, down arrow here. All right, so you can't actually change the price. You cannot change the price by clicking in. You're just going to simply use the plus and negative sign to change the price up or down. And if you're wondering what this button on to the right here where it shows follow bid ask, so right now, for example, the current bid for the mini S&P is 2073.75 by 74. Okay, so let's just say if you're working a limit price at 2072.25 and you decide to hit the follow bid, what will happen is the order will simply follow the current bid price. So that will adjust the limit price to whatever the bid price is, or if you hit follow ask, it will adjust the limit price to what the current ask price is. And if the bid or price changes, it will continue to follow that particular bid or offer. And then, of course, you have your time and force option, whether it's day order or good till cancel. So just be sure to select which one or the other. When you know what's selected, it will highlight, and also you'll see a little line underneath that specific order type. So you can see that there's a little line there. There's a little line there. So that's a stop order. And then, of course, stop limit. Stop limit, remember, there's a stop price and there's also your limit price. So be sure to adjust both. And if you watch the bracket video that is uploaded on the channel as well, you will see that you have the ability to add atom strategies to this particular trade ticket so you can utilize an OCO function. And if you have any questions about using that bracket function, be sure to watch that video. I explained thoroughly how to use the atom function so you can create multi-level brackets and also use a basic bracket as well. And other than that, that is pretty much a short demonstration of the trade ticket. It's probably the easiest way to place trades off the platform. However, there is some restriction. It seems that customers are morely a fan of using the DOM or the chart trader, mainly because the DOM gives you depth of market. You have additional buttons that you can use, such as flatten, reverse, and also the chart trader, where you can literally click right on the chart to place trades. If you have any questions about this, guys, give our 24-hour help desk a call. We're at 312-893-6400, extension 1. That gets you directly to our help desk. Otherwise, definitely keep up to date on our YouTube channel. We're very proactive in keeping you up to date on our new products and content. The YouTube channel is www.youtube.com/AMP Futures. Again, that's www.youtube.com/AMP Futures. Thank you for listening in, and happy trading, guys.